Good afternoon, friends. I, on behalf of Export Promotion Council for Handicrafts, welcome you all to the webinar on EPCH Virtual Fair. Now, we have had two presentations before for the exhibitors of fashion jewelry and accessories, and also for textile-based handicraft exhibitors. Now, this is a third in series, and we have one key stakeholders to whom we are making this presentation to, and they are the buying representatives, and they are as good as buyers in the country. So we welcome you all on this platform, and you know what virtual fair is, and it's a new thing. This is the first show that we are doing in India, and we need all your support to make it a success. To begin with, we have with us our chairman, Mr. Ravi K. Pasi. We also have with our vice chairman, Mr. Rajkumar Malhotra, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Director General EPCH, Mr. R.K. Verma, Executive Director EPCH, Ms. Christine Rai, Chairperson Buying Agent Association, Achal Kansal, General Secretary Buying Agent Association, then Michael Vinod, a prominent buying agent himself, and then we have our technical team who will make a presentation. We have with us Mr. Tushar Gupta, Ms. Amla Srivastav, Mr. Niranjan Singh, and Mr. Virendra Rai. Now to begin with, I'll request Mr. Tushar to start his presentation. Tushar.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. To start with the presentation, I would like to share the screen so that I will show you the live demonstration to show the buyer's journey on our live platform, which we have called Virtual Experience Platform. So give me 1 second. Let me share my screen, please. Amla, can you please confirm? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the first screen you have seen that ifjas.in is gonna be our official website of IFJAS show, scheduled from 1st to 4th June. We are promoting this landing page or this website throughout the social media and other mass marketing tools. So I'm showing you the first buyer's journey. So once he first landed here, he has to first register in which the category he falls into. So let's assume if he is the buying agent, he has to fill this form and do registration by yourself. After registration, he or she will receive an email consist of username and password for the virtual platform access. So he has to enter this username and password here. Once he has entered the username and password, he will be landed to this virtual platform. You will see the Expo Mart front CFB building. So there's going to be a first landing page for everyone who will be visiting this fair. So you will see one announcement, one broadcast message. So that message shows that there is virtual trade show and exclusive preview of by EPCH for BA members. So that means that today webinar which we are doing with you is right now live on this particular platform. So buyer can click here and see what is going on like this. Now let me take you into the lobby first. So there's gonna be a virtual lobby where the buyer can do the chatting with the support staff sitting at the back end to give you the actual navigation of the platform if he or she is facing some problems. Then I will move to exhibition hall.
This is the lobby view. This is the lobby view.
The lobby view.
This is the place where we register all the buyers, CFB area, center function building. From here, the navigation Tushar has mentioned, there are going to be signages. And the way buyer wants to go, he can go straight away to that. Like the auditorium, exhibition halls, fashion pavilion or trend pavilion. Tushar, please take it forward.
Yes. So first I will take you to the exhibition hall. So once you click over the exhibition hall, one directory is open up where you will see 4 halls. That means we have listed our IFJAS exhibitors into the four halls. So let me take you into the hall 1. So this is hall 1. Once you are entered, you will see one directory where you can search the exhibitors in the hall 1 by their name, by their company name. So let me show you like say Dilip. So Dilip, this comes. Once you click over it, you will be come upon his booth. So on his or booth, work, you can contact him and you can see their product profiles as well. Let me take you on the other hall. Back, exhibition hall, that I will take you in exhibition 3. So you can see the, let me look.
ये ले लो एक्सेसरी बाय नूपुर ले लो एक्सेसरी वाले में.
This one, sir? No.
Yeah.
So let me search where is accessory by Nupur is exist. Nupur. So accessory by Nupur, sir, exist in hall number 1. So buyer can search easily in the directory. So I will open up. Accessory by Nupur is like that. So about us. So buyer can see his company profile. If he or she is interested, he can download straightforward to his system, or later on, he can add it into their virtual box as well. So by clicking this bag, he can be selected the sorted item. He can also view his details, in which product the exhibitors are dealing, and their email ID and websites. Their product profile he can see. Like, let me show you that he deals in beaded bags. He deals in footwears. So if buyer is interested, he can select this item in his virtual bag, and later on, the buyer can contact to particular this exhibitor.
But he can also throw these item selection in the basket also.
Yes, so here's the briefcase where I have added the items, and upon selection, like I have selected these 4 items and further downloaded into my system for further review for the selection and sorting. So this is all about the exhibition hall, where you can search the exhibitor through this directory within the hall, and you can search in entire platform as well by going through this search this site.
No, Tushar, is it also possible to search by product? Right now,
Yes,
by
sir.
exhibitor. Can it
Yes.
be by product also?
Definitely, sir, it is possible.
Suppose there's a shopping bag or some category. You take some categories.
So let me show you. I'm in hall number 1. I want to explore leather bags. So I just type
Shopping bag you take.
bag I have typed. So the bag word is coming up. The search engine customization in very detail is working in progress. So you can further search it by entire this category. You can see all these categories can be searchable by the main product category and the product wise easily and by their name also. So now I will take you to the auditorium. So here's the auditorium. You can go through the auditorium by the icons available in the dock station, or also you can search or navigate you by going through this directory option also. So in this auditorium, you can see what program is currently going on, what was hosted and what is coming up. So like I have shown you in my first slide, there is one program is going on. You can see here, the buyer can,
Sorry, Tushar, can I interrupt? I see a lot of our participants are having trouble with the audio. They are not hearing. There's a big time lag. Can Manish or somebody on the technical side just try and fix it? Sorry, there are a lot of messages coming in that the audio is lagging.
Let me pause here. Manish, can you please do something?
Yes, I'm trying it again from this side.
Thank you so much.
Please check your internet connection, Tushar, once.
Amla, can you please confirm? Is my voice very much clear to you?
Yes,
Manish,
you're
please.
audible.
Yes, you are audible.
So might be some problem at their end. So better if they can stabilize their internet so that they can be able to hear my voice properly.
Because Christian, I am also clear. I'm getting the clear voice.
Yeah, I'm
right
getting.
now.
I'm also getting clear. So, but there are 2-3 comments just saying that
That means they also have some net problem.
network issues. Yeah. So guys,
Because
we need to find-
there are right now over 140 participants. So I think maybe 2-3 participants will be having problem. Yeah.
Should I proceed, sir?
Thanks, Tushar. Please carry on. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. So we are here. I will show you that there is coming the right now webinar is going on. So we are hosted on this platform. So we can do broadcast. If somebody, the visitors have some questions. Hello, the audio is not able to. Sorry.
This is the real-time broadcast.
Yeah, audio is not able to. His audio is not clear. Like, so I have mentioned this. If Manish, if you are online, you are already the admin of this hall. You can able to assist on real-time basis. You can see what I am.
This can be a live webinar and can also be the recorded. So we can have basically some kind of a panel discussion, trends forecast. We can also have kind of a buyer-seller interactions. So whatever I think we want that we can have in the sessions like we used to have in the physical show regularly. That can be done there. Yeah.
Right,
Next
sir.
slide. Yeah.
So you can see the past sessions also like this. So I just move on to the next virtual room that's called the Fashion Pavilion. So the Fashion Pavilion, once the visitors enter to this Fashion Pavilion, he can
Can you show
see-
the outside? Can you just show the outside of the Fashion Pavilion, both pavilions? Is it possible?
Amla, can you please assist in this?
I'm like, can we show the outside domes of the Fashion Pavilion?
सर वो स्पेस इशू था इस वजह से उसको ऐड नहीं कर पाए
Okay, let us start.
Right, sir.
ठीक.
So he can see the live fashion show by clicking over this. And in full screen as well.
our plans are, our plans are to have a live fashion show at a place, maybe Expo Mart, and that would be the hybrid model, which will be that fashion show will be live. Maybe people will be just the virtual. The audience will be virtual, but the fashion show will be live at that time.
Yeah, but
Here-
you'll be able to do a really good job of the fashion show now under this virtual world. I think it's fantastic.
Correct, correct. So what we would like to have some assistance from you, or we can say a partnership with you, that maybe one fashion show out of maybe 4 we are planning. If BA would like to come forward, we can have one fashion show with the BA where the products of your vendors, your own client's vendor can be put up there. Rest of the model and choreography, everything that can be taken care by us. So the product range can be done. Even the products of the textile, maybe garment can also be taken along with. So one sequence or maybe one complete story of 20 minutes or 30 minutes fashion show that can be done. Amla can coordinate later.
Yeah,
And
no,
the second one,
that sounds interesting. We'll work on that.
yeah, you can just see that if you at all you are interested. So second is we would also be showing you BA's booth. So far, Tushar has shown the company's booth, but we have normally been with you. So we would also show you the BA booth.
Thank you. Great, and we have
is
Michael,
your-
who's heading up our trade fair committee, so he's
this
on
is
the
your-
panel.
So
Excellent.
this is your booth, and here you have to put up the product and services and
Yeah,
detailing of your members.
Yep.
And even you can put up the each individual member, the profile of that member,
Yep. Good idea.
so that buyer can download.
Buyer can
Yeah.
go on and see, and
We
then
are all-
we've
yeah.
got some recent collateral, so we can put up
Correct.
some stories and some videos as
Correct,
well.
correct, correct.
I don't think we will not be showing product because obviously that's not our job. We are a service provider, so we'll do our service, and then we will do some information on recent webinars. You know, the things
Yeah.
that we've been working with. Great.
If you think that you need one webinar to be organized by you along with us,
Yep.
any subject you can choose right now, so that you can work on that, and then we can have one live webinar with you. So altogether, then the BA will be having partnership in the hall,
Yes.
partnership in the webinar, and also
in the
partnership
fashion fashion show. Yeah.
Fashion show.
Great. Great.
And also, I would suggest you, if you have some vendors, like the vendors for the accessories or the allied lines, like the publication, like the software company you mentioned, or
Yes.
some other who are even the, you can say the logistic companies, or the packers or the packing company, if you would like to recommend them, so please let us know. If that suits us, we'll be in that case demarketing a one area where we can say that
So you
freight
sort of
forwarders,
where you have some
freight
service
forwarders,
providers.
vendors,
Yeah.
shipping
Yeah.
company, one area we can demarcate, and that area can be the support services. So under
Yeah.
the support services, we can put up that. But
Good
that is to be
idea.
done then in any case by Tuesday, because we are
Okay.
already over. We are already short of time. So
Okay,
this is one.
we'll do that probably by Monday then, Rakesh.
Yeah, please. Tushar, what next to bata rahe the? Even Pantone, we can also ask the Pantone and others. They can also come and they can also display. So Tushar, next,
Is WGSN coming to this or not?
WGSN can be invited. We have not. Amla, have you invited them?
So we have not invited them, but since
So we
they're
can-
part of us, we have a trend pavilion
so we
where
can-
we are
we can
publishing
all-
the trend.
And also one seminar with them, right? Amla?
I think that's a good
So
idea.
We can provide them a booth. Tushar, I think fashion. You want to show the trend forecast also?
Yes, of
Yes,
course,
sir.
sir.
Oh, please do that. That is left out.
So the fashion show we have seen. Now move on to the trend pavilion, where we have showcasing the digital book on jewelry accessories. So let me take you on that. So there you can see the 3 screens. You just once you click over, you will be redirecting to a virtual catalog of accessories. Like away. I can see the latest trends in the Indian fashion and jewelry industry.
for the
similar,
coming season.
yeah, in a coming season. And similarly, we are having the another brand book on the jewelry also.
These are all right now under construction. So all are just under progress.
So let's move on to the resource center where buyer can download all the informations pertaining to show, exhibitor directory, the other informations and all by clicking over here. So this virtual room is under construction, so will be live by today EOD, and he can further navigate by himself by clicking on the layouting. So he can go through in this complete navigation window. So buyer can see how many number of the peoples on this platform by clicking on now attendees. You can see the Amla is online and he can do chatting with. So Amla, can you please respond? I'm just typing. Let's assume I'm from France. So I can type in France also and send it. So my message goes to Amla by saying bonjour. Hey, thanks for inviting. Like this, merge data where invitee. And buyer can see how many number of peoples on this particular location. So he can do the collaboration through emailing within this platform, or he can do live chatting. He can do interaction with exhibitors. We already have big request to video integration of their booth so that buyers can do live chatting with them, do WhatsApp chat, do Skype chats and all. So that's the overall user journey of the buyer. Thank you, sir. I'm like, do you want to add something?
No, you've covered everything, and it's perfectly fine. I think we're able
Thank you,
to
sir.
showcase. Yeah.
Right. So now, Tushar,
Yes,
what
sir.
we need, we have to very specifically put the link. What is the link for the buyer? Very specifically, just put the URL. URL you have to place over there. And Manish, you have to type the URL on which all the buyers are to be registered. So
Yes.
that will be sent to participants right now. How the buyer, how this is being promoted among us the buyer. Can you show some of the film or some of the posts what we have done in the social media and other platform? Amla,
Yes, sir. I'll just share my desk. Okay.
ifjaz.in/register.
So we've branded the show with this look and feel. And these are a few emailers which we have sent out to our buyers. And in continuation, we are also developing a few of these artworks which our exhibitors will be sending out on behalf of them. So what we're trying to do is brand the whole look so that all the footfall and everybody gets to know about this event as that IFJAS has gone virtual. And the same message goes from EPCH to the buyers, and the same thing will be going from exhibitors one-on-one to buyers. And exhibitors can share these artworks on their social media platform, their emails or Instagram stories, so that there's some kind of a buzz around, and we can promote. And we doing it with various kinds of images and styling, so that it does not define just that we are one kind of category, but we're trying to showcase all the strengths and possibilities. Artworks, and I can also show you a few of the promotional videos, 15-seconders and 5-seconders. Okay, I'll just. use.
Amla, we can't see your screen anymore. We've lost your screen.
No, I'm there.
Okay, thanks. Great.
Amla, there's no sound. Can you repeat?
Yeah.
Amla, there's no sound.
Just please share the computer sound.
Yeah. Just a minute.
And start and make it from beginning, please.
I and was it audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these were a few of them, and I'll show you several.
दूसरी वीडियो भी दिखाओ, एक दो है ना दूसरी वीडियो.
Amla, no sound. Tushar, can you take over this?
Internet. Tushar, I have shared
Yeah.
the same video with you. Just that because I think there's some internet issue on my end.
Okay. You just shared with right now?
Yeah, the one which we were to go live with.
Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Let me. So,
Okay, fine. Thank you very much, Amla. I think
Thank
you're
you,
already
sir.
done.
Yeah.
So, first of all, now we would like to formally welcome Christine Ray, the President of Buying Agent Association of India. Also, Anchal Kansal, General Secretary, Buying Agent Association of India. And Mr. Michael, Trade Fair Committee Head of the BEA, Buying Agent Association of India. We started informally because we wanted that first of all, everybody is interested in the platform, that they should see that and then they have to give their comments. Now, Christine, please, and Anchal, you take over and you can have the platform for discussion. And we are here to answer all the queries. We also have with us our Chairman, Mr. Ravi Pasi, and Vice Chairman, Mr. Malhotra, and Mr. R.K. Verma, ED.
Thanks. So I'll just say a few words. I was part of the textile when EPCH launched the textile show, and I hadn't seen the If Just one before. So all I can say is that it's extremely exciting to see so much technology at work and so much potential. I think, you know, as buying agents, we have a big responsibility here to make sure that our vendors are all understanding what can be done and helping them, educating them. That's a lot of what we do. At the same time, we have a huge responsibility to bring all our clients into this show. So I know that we will all be trying to do it because it's going to be the first virtual show. I think, Rakesh, you're getting the prize for the first virtual show being held in this strange new world that we are moving into. So I think it's very exciting. There's obviously going to be lots of questions, lots of things that are not quite clear. So I will be asking Anshul to, you know, get all the questions. A lot of our members had already been sending us questions, which is why we asked EPCH to quickly do this webinar so that all the questions can be answered and we can go ahead and promote this with our clients. And then I think what I'm seeing everywhere is that the need of the hour is technology, digital technology, 3D technology. I'm not even qualified to talk about it. I'm very sort of behind in technology world, but I can see the huge need and opportunity, and especially for good photography. Now is the time. I mean, I'm already hearing my teams talking, you know, we've got urgent things that we have to sample just now. How can we sample in time? If we can't sample, we should be working in the virtual world. So the virtual world, as Rajesh said, is our new normal, and we need to embrace it, and we need to love it, and we need to get familiar with it. And now is the time to find all those young people who know tech, who have tech on their fingertips. You know, probably the children of all of our vendors are the ones they should be calling on. So let's encourage them. We know everybody's pretty much locked at home or locked nearby. So this is a great opportunity. As everybody knows and everybody's talking about, let's turn this, you know, this pandemic into a great opportunity for our industry. So all I can say is let's take it forward. Let's ask lots of questions now, but let's really interact. And thank you, Rakesh, for the opportunity to BAA. We would love to, and we will get back to you by Tuesday. We'll do the fashion show. We will have a panel session, and we do have some great technology suppliers we've been reaching out who we would like to park in your, you know, in your space that you have. So we will get you that list by Tuesday so that you have everything. So without further ado, I will ask Anshul to take it forward. And thank you once again, EPCH, who always do such a great job. And it's a great pleasure to have this association. Thank you, Mr. Pasi. Thank you. Have we lost Mr. Malhotra? He's gone. And thank you, Rakesh, and Mr. Verma and Rajesh and all of your team. Tushar, great presentation. Amla, thank you, and all the people behind the scenes. So thank you so much for doing this on a Saturday afternoon. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Christian, and thank you to the entire managing committee of the BAA. They are all present here in the audience. Beside that, we have over 150 buying representative. Even on Saturday, they are with us today. Thank you very much to the entire audience for being with us. Most important part is that buyers should take the full advantage, 360-degree advantage of this platform, and this platform is meant for them. This would be the very first virtual fair activity, not only in India, but I think a very large part of the Southeast Asia. We are excited because 94, when we started the fair, it was in a different dimension. Today again, rather, we have again started afresh, you can say. The exhibitors doesn't know, the buyer doesn't know, even the organizer doesn't know how to work on this platform. But we are quite sure it is. We are getting all the positive notes on this. So most important part is, and what our expectation from you is, and the fraternity, buying agent fraternity is, that please popularize as many as people among us the buyer. So it has to be fully popularized among us the buyer. That's the most important request to all of you. Please, Anchal, please.
Thank you, Rakeshji. I must commend EPCH and the entire backend team for the absolutely commendable job this entire show has done. We've seen a few other shows, as Christine also knows, with other councils, but I don't think anybody matches up to the extent of depth and work that you all have put into it. So fantastic. And thank you, Rakeshji. Really, a big thank you to you for giving us this preview, because a lot of members had a lot of queries, which I would eventually take up. And this is a great platform for all of us. Tushar and Amla, brilliant job, guys. I mean, absolutely fantastic. Thank you all. Now, I would just take up a few questions that have been on the platform, and also these are repetitions of a few queries that have been coming in to us. One of the biggest query a buying agent has of today is that how can they walk the show, or how can they be with their buyers while the buyer is reviewing the different stalls? Because the buyer may have their own logins, but in the same login, can buyer and buying agent walk parallelly? So is there a provision made for this?
See, Achal,
Yes, Tushar.
Achal, in this case, we are having the collaboration tool that work on real-time basis, that is email and the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Or so let's say you and along with you buyer wants to visit exhibitors booth A, but you have logged into the system on 2 different times, so you don't know where you are and your buyer is where.
Correct.
So you want to be on same position. That's your question, right? On real-time basis.
Yes, on real-time
Right.
basis.
So in that cases, once you are in, so you are having 2 options. Let me share the screen again. Sorry. Yes. So you are having 2 options here, now attending at this location. Okay. So once you are in, you can check whether your buyer is on the platform or not. If
Right.
you found right, so you can immediately type the message him. So I am on BAA booth. Now he has to visit there. He has just to type buying agent association. So at this location, you can check whether you are on same platform or not, or same location or not. So you can check by click on this location. You
Voila
will see I'm here. So your buyer can also become here at the same time. But
Right.
you have to send the message that I'm in and I'm at this location.
Right.
So by using this real-time chat collaboration tool, you can be communicate on real-time basis virtually.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Now, the other thing that people want to know is that the products as we see on the platform are essentially only pictures, or are we also looking at 3D variations where we can open up the picture to get better views in multiple views?
Yes. Amla, you please explain.
Okay, so as of now, yes, we're promoting a lot of people to do the 3D representations of their products, and we're guiding them with the tools that are possible.
Amla, you are not very audible.
Can you hear me now, Anchal?
Yes.
Am I audible? Yeah, okay. So we've been promoting our people to put in their 3D drawings and, 3D interfaces for people to explore the product in
Right.
3-dimensional. As of now in the platform, whatever data they have in terms of pictures, videos, and walkthroughs
Amla,
of
be
the
loud,
stores.
little bit loud. Be loud, please.
Okay. At the moment we have put up all the product pictures, videos, walkthroughs, and walkthrough of their stores as of now. And in the coming show, we will be upgrading it to the product 3D views as well.
3D views.
Yes.
Brilliant. The other question, Hanji Rakesh, you want?
No, but Amla, don't you think those exhibitors have already some 3D view picture?
Yes,
that
sir.
can be viewed.
Yes, sir.
There are some exhibitors who have a 3D view pictures.
So the respective exporter has, then that is uploaded. Else, the others are uploading it gradually.
Yeah.
Now, I also have a question on behalf of the exporters. One of the things that we saw while you were taking us through the entire preview was that we could download the catalogs of the vendors to be worked upon later. Now, as an exporter, a lot of people have come back asking me, how does that protect us from another false exporter who could log in as a buyer and download my catalog and see all the products? So what have we done to safeguard that mechanism?
अमला आप बताएंगे या
I think Tushar
हम
should
बात
take
कर
it
लें?
up.
कोई बात नहीं.
You
ऐसा
can-
है, Anshul ji, there are two ways. One is perhaps you know that about a month ago or less than that, around 20 days ago, we already started our one of the major projects that was we were working on that project for the last 18 months. That is the design register.
Correct.
So our advice to most of the exporters is now, whatever they bring on the platform, they should place that in the design register so that they are fully protected under the design register. And if there's any way, anywhere among the fraternity, there's any instance of the design issue, then definitely that can be taken up. This is the one way. Second, we have also sincerely advised all of them that not to show everything in your catalog, particularly the item which they feel that these are the items which are their recent development, but they don't want to show it. But rather they have to show their representative item by which the buyer can assess them that they are into this particular category. And also they have to mention that they have many more items which they are not displaying or they are not placing on the product category when they are not being displayed at the fair. The same way they work in fair, in the physical fair. They normally have something on the window, something they have in the inside the window, in the another window, and some item they don't want to show at all over there. But once the buyer, they are familiar with that, they have a credential of the buyer, then they work with them. So there's a chat facility, even there's a Zoom facility that can also be discussed with them. So once they are familiar with the buyer, once they know about the credential of the buyer, only then they have to work. So as far as the any exhibitor who is coming in, or Mr. Rakesh Kumar joined there and introduced himself as a Mr. Roger, then definitely for Mr. Roger also, they have to be a bit cautious, as they are cautious for Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
Right, fair enough, Rakeshji. I'll take up a few other questions. Michael, you want to say something? Please go ahead.
First of all, thank you EPCH, especially for giving us booth. And this time we don't need the furniture there.
Very good.
Rakesh ji, like there are some genuine buyers which are been coming to the EPCH show and been registered there for a very long time. So can we give them a certain buyer, permission to download the catalog? And there are some newcomers where we have a doubt, or the vendors may have the doubt. They probably can ask the vendors permission to download the catalog, rather than, because if they can get a one-time password or something like this on their email, on their phone, to download the catalog with the vendor's permission.
Mr. Michael, we are basically we are working on the way for the visitor. First of all, we have one data. The data is being the regular visitor data, as you have specifically mentioned right now. So Mr. Verma will explain you about that. That visitor data, if some buyer registers from that visitor data, then the exhibitor is informed accordingly. Then exhibitor gets the tag along with the buyer that he is the regular buyer. And then definitely exhibitor can provide him whatever information he requires. The credentials are known. Then there are some buyers who are just coming for the very first time. They may be consumer, they may be, they may also be some kind of a small retailer. So then they are the one where they are not tagged. So this is the process we are adopting. But I think we have to work very seriously, and we have to work very hard for the very first fair or the subsequent fair. But we are sure that by the time we reach for our grand finale, which is the 13th to 18th of July, which is our mega fair, which is the main fair handicraft fair. So by that fair, we'll be able to get the entire thing done. So Verma ji, can you please add on if something else has been done in this?
Sir, actually, we have already doing the exercise. Those have the regular buyer. After receiving their confirmation, we will be likely to share to the exhibitors also. They are the confirmed buyer. Those are the regular coming to our previous IFJA show or the Delhi Fair show. So these are the basically accredited buyer, and the exhibitor can share their details or profile to them, so that buyer can refer later on as and when they feel that need the requirement of their products.
Yeah.
Michael, any more questions?
आचार्य जी, आप क्वेश्चन में से ले लीजिए, प्लेटफॉर्म में से क्वेश्चन जो है उनमें से देख लीजिए आप.
हाँ जी. Michael, is there anything else? Yes, please go ahead.
Just a moment, because Rakesh Verma ji said that they have a data and any vendor can review that the data. So if I understand correctly, like if I have a booth, I can see all the buyers who are coming, the genuine buyers, the list.
No. I think this what Verma ji said the other way around. Let me tell you again. Anyone who enters his booth.
Yes.
Anyone who enters his booth, the moment the exhibitor tag him, his entire information, which is available with us on the registration card, that will be shared with that particular exhibitor.
Thank you.
In fact, Verma ji, there's another question, and maybe you can help me with this. Manuj Methani has written, can we receive a common login and ID for our buyers and the buying agent? Is it possible कि एक ही ID से दोनों buyer and buying agent fair में घूम लें?
This is a technical question. I think it's not
possible.
Tushar, I think it's not possible.
Possible नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये सॉफ्टवेयर से में ऐसा इनबिल्ट है. और क्या होगा कि ये भी बता दें आपको, बाइंग एजेंट जो इंडिया में है वो इंडियन आईपी में आएगा. आप बायर को फॉरेन आईपी से आने दीजिए, क्योंकि बिकॉज इंडियन आईपी we might have some restrictions on the Indian IP. We are going to have some kind of a checks and surveillance. We would like to see that who are visiting from the Indian IP, who are the visitor coming this is the answer to your first question, earlier question, that when exhibitor is going to download the catalog, here what we are going to restrict that. That means we know that which is the exhibitor who is coming here, even the foreign exhibitor buyer is coming, we know. And then we have a kind of a system. We have some Dun and Bradstreet data. We also have some kind of some other data over there. So we have a matchmaking with that. So basically, for the buying agents, particularly, our humble request is, please get yourself registered in advance so that we send you passcode. Because we might not open the platform for everybody in the country. Maybe we may open it for the large stores, because some of the large stores have also retailer. We have interaction with the Retailer Association of India. We had one webinar with them. They are very much keen that they want that their big retailers and the stores have to visit here, like Shoppers Stops and other stores and Will's Lifestyle and many more. They are interested. They may be allowed. But we are definitely going to have some restrictions for the domestic people. That is in the interest of the exhibitor. And this is what we wanted in your earlier question.
Absolutely, totally agree with that. I think, Michael, that more or less answers the issue right now. Now, one of the members has also asked a question saying, like, in the PDF that we had seen, Accessories by Nupur, it only had a lot of pictures, but it did not have segregated pictures with item numbers or things like those. So how exactly can the cart be created in that cases? Or was this just for mock-up right now and this is being worked upon?
Actually, we have advised each and every exhibitor to categorize their product. Basically, like the footwear is the one, accessory, maybe another, jewelry is the other. I think Amla in one of the presentation had very specifically advised each and every exhibitor. One of the questions from the exhibitor was that whether they should have one PDF or they can have a multiple PDF. And we have very specifically requested them that they should put up the multiple PDF and each PDF they should have a separate separate category. So I think ये थोड़ा मंथन का समय है और अभी अमृत निकल नहीं पा रहा और सब लोग लगे हैं इसमें.
Eventually निकल ही
हालांकि
जाएगा.
सभी सुर हैं या असुर कोई नहीं है, ये ध्यान रखिएगा. तो ये समुद्र मंथन में लगे हुए हैं सब. असुर जो है वो सिर्फ कोरोना है, उसकी वजह से हम अभी मंथन में लगे हैं. ठीक है, तो इसमें मंथन में अच्छा कुछ होगा, चिंता मत करिए.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Any other question?
Pramod Rana from Medoc Sourcing has asked, why are we keeping it only for a few days? Since it's virtual, shall we not like leave it open for a longer period of time or open for all? I mean,
देखिए ऐसा है कि there's a seriousness and there's a seriousness of any event.
Correct.
And there's a alertness of any event. That is always by specifying the time and the period.
Correct.
If we keep it open, I'll tell you very basic difference. Both babies are ours, but I'll tell you. The difference would be like Expo Mart and the temporaries.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
You got it?
Yep. I get it. No, I agree. It has to be for a certain period of time to give that focus and that attention to what buyers are doing. And outside of the show, just the way they normally deal with the vendors, they can always deal with the vendors. Totally agreed. Sanjeev has a very valid question to ask, what are the different time zones? I mean, we are dealing with the US. When they get up, we go off to sleep. So how are we dealing with the time zones?
Okay, our exhibitors, we are going to advise that we have to cover both East and West, both.
Right.
I think you are the best people who have to tell us. We have to advise that sincerely to our exhibitors. As a matter of fact, all these 5 days, 4 days, our exhibitors are going to be available for 24/7 because they are also interested in the business.
Correct.
But you can say the alert timing are going to be likely 11 to 7 in India, covering East and West both. वर्मा जी क्या टाइम डिसाइड हुआ था हमारा? 11 से 7 हुआ था?
11 से रात को 9 बजे तक कहा था.
11 से 9, sorry.
9 था.
11 to 9, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Because we would like them that they should be available in their showroom. So any item which your buyer pick up and he likes that, and he would like to see the full story of that, and they are quite assured about the credential of the buyer, then in the store itself, they can talk to him on the Zoom, and they can talk to him on the Facebook or whatever is that, and ultimately they can show the detailing of the product and they can finalize something, maybe samples, maybe orders.
Right.
So by 11 to 9, I personally feel this will cover majorly both the zone, and then even the US also. And after that, also chat box is open. They can leave the message. And then we can next day definitely contact the buyer. So you can guide us further anytime if you think that this is not appropriate.
And
we can do it.
The time. Fair enough. I would have a question for Tushar. Tushar, one of the members is also asking to say, is it possible that rather than going into a hall and searching for a product, can we search for that product right at the main entrance, the registration area?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
Let me
Just
show
show
you
that
all live.
minute,
Just
yeah.
a minute. You
Yes,
will be
yes,
landed
yes.
here.
Yes.
You are looking for, let's say, what are you looking for? Like say a necklace. Just enter. You can search by content type, then enter. You will see the content. The exhibitors who are categorize their product content with the description of necklace, he can further show to their in search results.
Go slow, it's not loading.
Yeah. So exporters or exhibitor has to specify their content very specifically as per the categories they want to show them under the search result.
Right.
So that the right search results can be come up.
Right. Fair enough. Fair enough. That works well. Yeah. We don't have any further questions from any of the members here. Michael, you want to say something? Yes, please.
राकेश जी, अभी इतना बढ़िया ओवरव्यू इस वर्चुअल शो का हमें दिया गया है. When the buyer will log in for the first time, they will not be understand so quickly. So, do we have that kind of video or this anything to explain it before they come, or we can start sending to our client? So when they come, they have a understanding how to use this.
I think
that's
both can be done.
like a tutorial.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of.
If you are really think that there's a need of a tutorial, we can do that, number one. But what I feel that Tushar, Amla, both of you, first of all, whatever question answer we had today, please prepare a FAQ. We already had one FAQ for exhibitor. Take out some question from that also, and full navigation from the login, first login to the rest entire thing. Make one FAQ. And the same on the same FAQ, we can have a kind of a tutorial. I think there's a good familiar and very respectable face is Christine. If Christine can work for us, we can request Christine to please give a video for us.
Sure,
Sir.
happy to do that. You give
Sir,
me the
will
Will you do
script,
that?
I'll
Okay,
speak.
fine. So
Sorry,
Sukhman
sir.
is there. Sukhman, please
Sir.
take a video from Sukhman, from Christine.
Sir, I
So
would
that
like to add.
while we enter,
Sir, 1 minute.
Pardon?
There is a video is there for the virtual moment, virtual fair. There is a video that can be
Okay.
placed there.
can we
Yes.
show that? Are we ready?
तुषार,
Sir,
आप देखो पुनिया जी ने मैसेज दिया कि वीडियो इज देयर नेविगेशन की.
वो किसकी है? 6 Connects की होगी ना वो? सुनो.
so
that
that is
हमारी
that is not specific to that particular if just
Fair.
platform. So we'll be creating one
वो
specific
एक
site mapping.
स्पेसिफिक साइट
Specific
मैपिंग
site
एक बना देंगे. साइट मैपिंग बना
प्लेटफॉर्म
देंगे.
वाली में कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे वो.
साइट
हमने सिर्फ
मैपिंग बना
जितनी
देंगे.
चीजें हमने क्रिएट की है ना, हम सिर्फ उतनी
हाँ.
देनी है हमने.
Yeah.
ठीक
जो
है.
हमने क्रिएट किए और उसी नेविगेशन की फील्ड में, और एग्जैक्टली व्हाटएवर क्वेश्चन आंसर टुडे हैड, they are not going to be more than that in the buyer mind, because they are the buyer representative. They know what
बिल्कुल,
exactly
बिल्कुल.
they are looking for. So my request, I think Sukhman is with us today. No, Sukhman next में आएगी ना?
नेक्स्ट में आएगी.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
तो नेक्स्ट में आएगी तो उसको आप कहिएगा
ठीक
है.
क्वेश्चन से एक वीडियो, बट इट शुड बी मैक्सिमम 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes, everything should be described, and then it's a kind of a navigation kind of a video, right?
ठीक है सर.
Okay, that can be done. And by the third show, we are going to have a voiceover in the whole place. The moment you enter the CFB,
It's
there'll
telling
also be
what
some
to
voice.
do. Yeah.
Voice you are in the CFB. Here you can this. Then you go to hall. Then the hall voice. So that we are going to have. So I think this is not a ready-made platform. We are basically developing. There was a basic platform available as far as the technology is concerned, and the rest of the things, templates, everything is being built by our team. 60 people of EPCH and IML together are working on the platform, and they are working very hard. Basically, about 14 to 16 hour work is going on, because right now we are from the exporter side also having a lot of challenges. They are not on Facebook. They don't have a good
They don't
photograph.
have photographs.
They never
good
felt of
photographs.
having the need of photograph. Even we have appointed a team of around 20 photographer, commercial photographer, and we are providing them to the industry that please take the commercial photograph. So right now, even some people are not serious. My humble request to all of you that please ask your vendor, be alert and be serious that this platform ultimately in the tough time, till such time the physical doesn't come, this is going to give them a lot of relief, and they should take it seriously. This is my request with you. And the second is, even if when we come with a physical show, this is also going to be together with the physical show. So those buyers are not able to come to India. At least we are able to address them through this platform. So we can showcase India in a bigger way. So I think if we have covered all the questions, now I
I
request.
think there's two more
Yeah,
hands
please.
up, Rakesh. If
Please,
Answer
please,
could
please.
just take those.
Please.
Pushkar and Anika Pasi, two questions.
Yeah, please. Anika ji, please.
Manish, you would have to give access to Pushkar to speak.
Yeah.
Doing it.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
अनिका को भी दे दो, अनिका जी को भी दे दो, दोनों को दे दो.
Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. So I had some question which has been, some of them have been answered already, like OTP for downloading the catalog, etc. So I was thinking that how the documents of the catalog is saved on the website of. So just one question is this first: is it a dynamic or is it static? I mean, dynamic means is it interactive? Suppose when we walk in a fair, we normally do not stay on a booth just because of the name. We stayed because of the booth pictures and all that. So I understand here you cannot create immediately a booth which is like look like a booth and you walk in like a walkthrough, CD walkthrough kind of thing. But still, is there a chance on the first page when you walk into a category or in a hall, you see a big page of a particular booth so that you know what if you have to walk in or not to walk in? I mean, it's not necessary we walk in with in the fair like it happening in the fair. We walk in the fair, we stop in a booth where we like the products. So it's a showstopper and it's a responsibility of the exhibitor how he wants to attract the customer. It's his marketing plan actually. So is there any way while searching the product, while searching the supplier, the first icon, you can see AK International, Abhish, Akashia, that's good. But one company has a bigger space like a shopping website. If you go to Shopify, you go for any kind of shopping website, there are a big picture. Just to give an idea, maybe some of the exhibitors have their last fair big pictures with them, so they can put it there. Maybe they have a video of their last fair, they can put it there, so that it is interesting or not interesting to go inside and inquire about something. That's my actually concern.
So, Mr. Pushkar, I want to answer your query. First, you have to please understand it's not the website, it's not the e-commerce platform, first thing. It's a complete, the virtual exhibition platform where we have to enlist all of the exhibitor as per their category. So let's say this show.
So they have to go through, yeah.
No, you don't want to go through. So if you are on hall number 1, and you will see lots of booth. Before that, you will see the directory. So whatever the product you are interested, you can just search it from the main site through the directory and through the main directory here. And you can easily navigate them.
तुषार इनका कहना यह है, एक जस्ट मिनट तुषार जी, तुषार इनका कहना यह है कि जैसे आप इसको हटाइए ऊपर से, हॉल ऑफ डायरेक्टरी को हटा दीजिए, हॉल पे आ जाओ। जैसे ये हॉल है, अब इस हॉल में हॉल में आइए, हॉल में चलो,
एग्जीबिशन
हॉल में सप्लायर
एग्जीबिशन हॉल में आ जाइए, हॉल दिखा दो,
दिस इज द हॉल,
हॉल दिखा दीजिए इसको। हाँ, जैसे ये हॉल है, अब जैसे यहाँ पर ये हॉल में कंपनी के चल रहे हैं, इसकी जगह पर जैसे अजंता लिखा है, ये स्टैटिक है, क्या अजंता की जगह पर यहाँ पर कुछ उसका ऐसा प्रोडक्ट आ सकता है, ये टेम्पलेट इसकी जगह में ऐसा हो सकता है कि उसको देखते ही एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्पलेट हो और वो चेंज होता रहे या अकेला रहे, ताकि बायर उसको देख करके अगर रुकना चाहता है, जैसे फेयर में होता है कि बायर जब वॉकवे में जाता है तो बाहर का चीज देख के प्रोडक्ट देख करके वो फिर अंदर चला जाता है देखने के लिए। Am I right?
Yes. तो एक बड़ा पिक्चर होगा लास्ट फेयर का, which they can put it here.
मैं समझ गया। हाँ, तो यहाँ पर अपनी स्क्रीन जो है, जैसे एल्प्स एक्सपो है या जनता है, ये जो स्क्रीन लगी हैं, इनमें हम बजाय लोगों के क्या पिछले किसी फेयर का एक बड़ा पिक्चर लगा सकते हैं क्या उसका, जिससे उसकी आइडेंटिटी है, जैसे दिलीप की आइडेंटिटी है एक अपनी, या जैसे आहूजा सन्स की आइडेंटिटी है एक अपनी, और वो कहे जी मैं पिछले फेयरों में ऐसे था, और एक आइडेंटिटी ऐसी करें, लोगों ना करें। आई थिंक इस जगह पे तो कुछ भी हम डाल सकते हैं, अपना टेम्पलेट बिल्ड कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? नहीं,
that will be done individual basis.
अभी नहीं, not in IFJA, I'm talking about later.
General, it is possible.
सर मूवेबल नहीं होगा, वो मूवेबल नहीं होगा जहाँ तक मुझे पता है।
नहीं सर, इस केस में हमारे पास एक फिक्स स्पेस है टू गिव स्पेस ऑल द एग्जिबिटर इन वन हॉल, दैट इज 180 by 180।
नहीं 180 by 180 में ही तुषार, 180 by 180 में ही आहूजा सन जैसे लिखा और ये दिया लोगो जी, इसी स्पेस में हम क्या उसको आहूजा सन्स में जैसे वहीदा रहमान उसकी जो है वो उसकी आइडेंटिटी है वहाँ, और वो दिखाते हैं उसका प्रोडक्ट, या शॉल दिखाते हैं वो।
सर हमारे
तो क्या यहाँ शॉल,
सर हम शॉल दिखा सकते हैं, बट हमारे पास जो व्यूइंग स्पेस है ना, वो इतना ही है जितने में आपको आहूजा सन्स दिख रहा है यहाँ।
नहीं मैंने कहा समझे नहीं है, जितने में आहूजा सन दिख रहा है ना, अभी आज की बात नहीं कर रहे, ये बात की बात कर, हम भी आज नहीं आए, IFJA में कुछ नहीं कर सकते, टेक्सटाइल में नहीं कर सकते हैं, हो सकता है अभी ग्रैंड फिलहाल में नहीं कर सकते, उससे नेक्स्ट में करेंगे 4 महीने बाद। हाँ, मैं भी नेक्स्ट टाइम। तो अब जैसे आहूजा सन,
नहीं सर,
लेकिन हम उसमें कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि वो ही प्रोडक्ट को वहां पर मैग्नीफाई हो जाए या उतने एरिया में, आई थिंक वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट. वी पुष्कर, राइट नाउ वी डोंट हैव दिस, but right now we have a lot of other interesting thing also. Can you go back to hall,
Yeah,
please,
sure.
Tushar? Hall में जाना.
Sir. सर आप देख पा रहे हैं स्क्रीन? आमला, आर यू देयर?
Yeah, we can see the hall.
Yes.
Rakesh ji, आप muted हैं.
Yeah, stop here. Ahujasan is there. You just open the Ahujasan. Ahujasan को खोलो Ahujasan को. इसका बूथ बना दो हमें. बूथ आ गया?
जी.
Now Ahujasan में आप हमें इसका व्यू दिखा दो, अंदर का प्रोडक्ट का व्यू दिखा दो, या कोई इनका वीडियो डाला होगा वो दिखा दो. इनका शोरूम होगा, कुछ होगा.
शोरूम तो नहीं डाला हुआ है सर, इसके
नहीं
अंदर
डाला हुआ
4
है,
फोटोग्राफ्स हैं.
देखो तो सही.
लॉन्च अबाउट अस में इन्होंने अपनी वेबसाइट लिंक करी हुई है सर.
हाँ,
इस
इनका
पे
वेबसाइट
क्लिक
लिंक दिखा
करते
दो.
ही,
हाँ,
वही
दिखाओ.
दिखा दो. सर
हाँ, अब जैसे मान लिया इनका ये है कोई प्रोडक्ट, आगे चलिए. जैसे शॉल है ये, मान लिया शॉल है, तो इतना पार्ट कोई शॉल का ऐसा आ जाए, ये जो भी है, आई थिंक वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट लेटर. वी हैव maybe there need to have some kind of a correction in the platform. आगे चलिए. ये वहीदा रहमान जो है उनकी आइडेंटिटी है. और आगे चले, नेक्स्ट ले. इसी को दिखाएं आप.
इसमें मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगा, इसके अंदर अभी नहीं, बट इन नेक्स्ट फेयर और मेगा फेयर वी कैन डू अ प्लेस अ स्टैंडी वेयर वी कैन शो वहीदा रहमान विद द शॉल.
whatever it is, with the shawl भी shawl. Can you show here the इनका स्ट्रीट व्यू भी है, इनका वो भी है, शोरूम व्यू भी है, दिखा लो जरा. मैंने अभी कल ही देखा इसमें, फेसबुक में है या किसी में, इनका शो व्यू निकालो.
सर गिव
पूरा
मी 1
शोरूम.
मिनट, वो वाला मैं व्यू निकालता हूँ. जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट.
ये ओशन का दिखा दो. ओशन इसी में है, दूसरे में है?
सर दूसरे में है, मैं एक बार देख लेता हूँ.
ओशन का दिखा दो.
जस्ट गिव मी 1 मिनट, आई विल शो.
So Pushkar ji, I think we have certain limitation as on today, but I think these suggestions are welcome because in technology we can do wonders, but definitely time and the efforts and money, all these things are required. So slowly, gradually, the people will understand the platform. I think we'll move along with the platform and we'll definitely try to improvise and make it the best.
The next
right now,
is
it's a total
about
business like B2B.
Yeah, the one thing is that about the timing of 11 to 9. If this lockdown situation continues, this similar timing of 7 to 7.
Just a minute. मुश्किल जी एक मिनट आपको दिखा देंगे ओशन को.
Yeah.
Ocean देखिए जरा इसमें.
Sir.
Yeah,
Now, this company has put up their showroom also. There's a complete showroom view.
Yeah, it's about to.
And we are encouraging people to put up their showroom also.
Yeah.
अब ये पूरा showroom आ गया इनका.
Correct.
So we are right now encouraging people to go for the showroom view. We have already taken some kind of software, photography being done. आप लोगों के यहाँ जो उस दिन प्रोग्राम हुआ था टेक्नोलॉजी वाला, उन लोगों को हम यूज कर रहे हैं. उसमें से काफी टेक्नोलॉजी के चीजें हमला ने ली हैं. And we are using all those platforms. So ये सब चीजें जो हैं basically these will show her. In some places you will find the factories are being shown. कभी बायर को वो नहीं मौका मिलता था. कई जगह हम प्रोसेस दिखा रहे हैं. जैसे बीड्स में हम ग्लास बीड कैसे बन रहा है, हम वो प्रोसेस दिखा रहे हैं. तो बायर के लिए इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें भी हैं. थोड़ा सा बायर टाइम लगाएगा. That's important. Yeah. पुष्कर जी आपका प्लीज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Yeah, this it was concern. I mean, if the lockdown continuation is like this 7 to 7, it continues even in June. So timing has to be according to like 7 to 7 or kind of, because
देखिए ऐसा अभी right now, if you see in this lockdown, the fourth lockdown, government has already relaxed the for the offices and factories. Opening has already been relaxed. So let us see. I'm quite hopeful that next after 1st June is going to be lot of improvement. Today I was out and I could see there was a absolutely sea change between the just last 2 days. And then Monday, I think going to be after Eid, it's going to be different. Very large number of people are going to be out. And then maybe after 1st June, certainly things are going to be better. So let us see. अगर change होगा तो उस time देखते हैं कुछ लोग घर से काम करेंगे.
Yeah, can I just add, this is virtual time anyway, Pushkar. So I don't think 7 to 7, it's not really, you have to move into wherever you have your laptop.
I'm talking about, madam, I'm talking about virtual only. Virtual means interaction. So when I was running a business center, so it has to be interactive session. Suppose a buyer on the booth, it's not like downloading any website catalog, downloading any picture. When buyer on your booth, if you pick up a product, supplier must be able to answer the chat. Most of the time, as much possible. Because it's a business need, they have to have somebody to answer. Otherwise, like a simple website. It's my point of view.
Agreed. That is the reason we have only 5 days. That's the reason. Somebody said that it should be the longer period. It's not longer period because we have to be alert. And we are trying that even if and that's the reason we are facing a lot of challenges right now. Even 1st to 4th June, our first initiative, the very first one, we have a lot of difficulties. अभी भी लोग फैक्ट्री नहीं पहुंच पाए हैं, शोरूम नहीं पहुंच पाए हैं, फोटोग्राफ नहीं डाल पा रहे हैं, हमें काफी तकलीफ आ रही है. लेकिन अब बहुत लेट करेंगे तो फिर हम लेट हो जाएंगे, फिर मतलब गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. तो फिर हमारा थर्ड वाला जो एडिशन है वो हमारा टोटल आउट हो जाएगा. सो वी डोंट वांट दैट थर्ड एडिशन हमारा आउट हो जाए. थर्ड एडिशन को टाइम पर लाने के लिए हमें पहले के जितने एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हैं वो टाइम से करने पड़ेंगे. So I think हो गया और तो कुछ नहीं. Anybody else?
Rakesh ji, just one more. Pushkar, thank you for your questions.
Anika is there.
Anika, if you could come back with your
question. And then Michael also is there.
Just one question, Rakesh ji. Are we making it compulsory for all the exhibitors to at least have somebody there? I'm just adding to the Pushkar's question that they have to be there to answer the buyer's query.
There are
we have a very frequent interaction with the exhibitor. And then every interaction, first of all, we are stressing everybody that this platform, they have to take it seriously. Second, we are not dragging the people in. We are not asking it's going to be mandatory for them for participation. If they are ready, if they are willing, and if they are clear about the concept, only then they have to join. And most of our exhibitors, that means when I say not 100%, maybe 95%, number will be achievable there. They will be available on the platform. Maybe someone, because of some reason, may be missing. But right now, everybody who is joining there, he is going to be present.
Oh, fair enough.
Yeah.
Anika?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Rakesh, while I was listening to everything, we also source jewelry. So gold and diamond and some silver and some precious gems. So I sent a link to some of my suppliers and some very rudimentary questions have come. Probably you have discussed it earlier, but I was just asking so that I can convey to them. So they wanted to ask, is it still possible to register and what will be the charges? Or because it is virtual, is there any charge or not?
No. Pardon. Can you repeat it? You sent it to your customers or vendors?
No, I sent it to my vendors.
Vendors, yeah.
Yes. So they wanted to ask if they can register still and what will be the charge.
Okay, they don't know even. Okay. Anyway, if you send the detail of those vendors, though they are late, but we can take them in. We can still register them. We have some booths available there on the platform. And then charges are very, very nominal. In fact, it's otherwise 9,500 rupees per booth. But for 2 exhibition, that means this show and then later on they can join the main grand finale show, that is the handicraft main show, where this jewelry section is also there. So these together, both together is going to be only 14,500 rupees.
Okay, that's
this is the kind of, very reasonable. Rest is all being met out by the council. We are spending a lot of money out of our own as a promotional expense, and a lot of promotion is being done for this. So very reasonable. The objective is only that we should have a matchmaker program for all the buyers, all the sellers both. So the objective is total promotion.
Yeah.
So they can still come there. So it's almost 4,500 for this show and 10,000 for the other show.
Fabulous. Very well done. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Nika. And you can send us the detail of the
Yes.
vendor, and our team can also approach them.
Yeah, they'll follow the link that
Yeah, thank
we've
you.
given. Yeah.
Yeah. For them,
Thank you.
there's a separate link, please. For them, the
Okay.
link is, this link is for the buyer for registering on the site.
अच्छा.
For the buyer, the exhibitor link would be, वर्मा जी किसके से भेजेंगे वो?
वो भी डाल दीजिए chat में.
सिंपल सुशील का दे रहा हूँ मनीष
सुशील का लिंक डाल दो मनीष चैट में for exhibitor.
IAGF@epcs.com.
Doing it.
Chat में डाल दीजिए.
IAGF@epcs.com. Very simple, right?
You put it on chat. I'll send it to
मनीष
them.
चैट में डाल दो.
Doing it.
ठीक है.
Thank you, Anika.
Hopefully,
Thank you.
everybody is covered. Now-
Rakesh ji, we have two more questions. Nitin
Yeah,
Mohan
please.
and Sonali Bhatnagar. Manish,
Yeah.
if you could give access to the two of them to speak, please.
जी.
Yes.
Thank you.
मनीष अपने इस ईमेल आईडी में लिखो आपकी, this is for exhibitors. Manish,
Yes. Doing it, sir.
please write for exhibitors. Please contact at so पूरा लिखो please message.
Sonali, would you please unmute
Sonali ji,
yourself
please.
and share your question?
मनीष सोनाल जी को ले लो.
She's there, Rakesh ji. I think unmute करना पड़ेगा, Manish.
Sonali ji, please unmute yourself.
Sonali, the unmute button would be at the left bottom of your screen. If you could unmute yourself, please. Manish, in the meanwhile, if you could also take Nitin Mohan on the chat,
Yes.
then he can at
And
least.
I've taken Nitin Mohan.
Thank you.
Nitin Mohan ji, please.
Nitin ji, would you unmute yourself? You know, maybe that's the technical.
Okay, can you hear me
we can
now?
hear you. We can hear you now. Thank you.
I have a suggestion. Can you go to any booth, please? Just open any booth.
Yes, you can go to any booth. Yeah, please.
Can you open any?
Acha.
Right now?
Tushar, if you could view
Yeah,
something right
Okay,
now.
तुषार दिखा दो आप जरा.
So now this is the booth.
Okay, now when you press product profile, can you press the product profile? You know, I have a suggestion here because there'll be more than 50 or 100 products exhibitor will be exhibiting. So instead of giving, I'll have to open each and every one to view it. Is it possible to give thumbnail of the products here? And I pick what I want to see because everything may not be relevant for me. So I'll have to open each and every, like there are 100 products, I'll have to open 100 of them.
Nitinji, firstly, this is not product. This is a collection of product in each of the PDF. So this is one category per product. But a very valid point, Tushar, Rakeshji, do you think that's possible?
Because I'll have to open each and every product
Yes.
to see. It
No,
may not be
agreed.
relevant to me.
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे thumbnail नहीं आ सकता सब products का. मैं उसी को use करूँ जो मेरे को relevant है. For example, you know.
No, we got Nitinji what you said. So let us see. I think we have to work out for the exhibitor for textile. Verma ji, what we have to do? Exhibitor में हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं अगर वो better option है. बाद में हम पूछना भी पड़ेगा अपने exhibitor से भी कि हम जैसे बाहर हमने categories बनाई हैं, तो exhibitor अपने product को 4 या 5 मेन कैटेगरी में डिफाइन कर दे और फर्दर उस कैटेगरी के अंदर हम खोलें. जैसे मान लिया उसने कह दिया बैग्स, तो बैग्स में एक कैटेगरी है, लेकिन अगर वो बैग में ही है मान लिया सिर्फ, तो बैग में भी फर्दर वो 5 कैटेगरी बना सकता है. उसमें वाइन बैग हो सकते हैं, उसमें शॉपिंग बैग हो सकते हैं, उसमें कोई और बैग हो सकते हैं अपनी आइटम को, सो दैट द बायर आया तो उसमें प्रेस करेगा तो फर्दर उसकी डिटेलिंग निकले. बिकॉज राइट नाउ जो वर्ड प्रोडक्ट यूज किया है, दिस इज आइटम, this is not the product.
Yes, yeah, this is the
product.
This
Is
is the
it has to be the outside जो आपने मेन जब आप सर्च में जाते हैं डायरेक्टरी में, वहां प्रोडक्ट होता है, अंदर जाकर के ये इनके आइटम हो जाते हैं बेसिकली. Am I right, Aanchal? This is what we want to say.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
Basically, जो black वाला था जहाँ पे black वो दिखाई दे रहा था टैग, उसकी जगह अगर just एक thumbnail आ जाए, which shows the actual product.
हाँ, तो ये थंबनेल लेकर के नितिन जी से फिर बात करेंगे एक बार, अलग से कर लेंगे. नितिन जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल ऑफ यू. नितिन जी इज फ्रॉम द ट्राइबर्ग एंड ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. सो आई थिंक वी हैव टू टेक ऑल दिस बिकॉज इतनी सब चीजें हमें मिल रही हैं. ये सब चीजों से हमें बेटर होगा हमारा सब आने वाला प्लेटफॉर्म जो है, क्योंकि आप जो पूछ रहे हैं हमसे ये सब बायर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं. सो डेफिनेटली दीज आर गोइंग टू बी इनबिल्ट ओवर द प्लेटफॉर्म. तो उसको आप ठीक कर सकते हैं. हम जहाँ भी हमने अगर ऊपर हम हेडिंग में वर्ड प्रोडक्ट हटा करके आइटम कर देंगे ना वर्मा जी, वो कर देंगे, लेकिन अगर प्रोडक्ट डालेंगे, प्रोडक्ट इज अ ब्रॉड कैटेगरी आएगी वहां पर.
ठीक है, करते हैं।
I think Anshul, let it be the last question, and then our Malhotra ji and
सर 4:30 बजे दूसरा है,
because we have 4:30 we have another
4:30
meeting
another.
with the with one
So I think
our
Sonali,
jewelry exporters.
Not a
Yeah.
problem, sir. Let's close the session now. Sonali, you can just send in all the remaining questions that anybody has with EPCH. Please send us the questions at info@baa.org.in. I'm going to put that in the chat window so that we can take this up at EPCH and get back to you. We all need to keep in mind it's a great new initiative. Obviously, as a new initiative, there are a lot of things that need to be sorted out along the way as we experience it and as we touch and feel this entire product. Over a period of time, I'm sure this is only going to go better. So thank you, Rakesh ji. Thank you, Verma ji, Pasi ji.
Thank you.
Everybody
Thank you.
from EPCH,
Thank you.
Shravan ji, Tushar and Avla. It is absolutely great viewing the product, and we will keep in touch with you with any new information that comes over from our members or any new suggestions that comes over from our members.
Thank
So
you.
much, Anshul.
Verma ji, Pasi sahab, if you would like to speak two words.
नहीं,
Just
पासी साहब से पूछ लेते हैं.
पूछ लीजिए या Malhotra ji से पूछ लीजिए.
नहीं, ये थोड़ा सा मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि एक्ट ऑफ गॉड तो हुआ, मगर एक्ट ऑफ EPCH एंड अदर्स ऑल्सो. और मुझे ये लगता है क्योंकि आई हैव स्पोक टू मैनी बायर्स एंड दे आर वेरी कीन टू सी आवर न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स ऑन दिस virtual show. So let's hope everything will be great. Thank you so much.
Malhotra साहब.
हाँ जी, thank you Rajesh, thank you all the eminent panelists, thank you very much. And since this is the, I think, first time we are having like 150 our buyers, or you can say buying agents, they are like our buyers. And I think more than the buyers, they are more than the buyers because they are the one who brought the business in for us. I have a request because I just received a few calls from my friends, exporters, that is the right time to request these our, you can say, helping to grab business from the buyers. That since due to this COVID, the financial position of the exporters as well as the buyers, I think that. So we are requesting the buyer the financial position, exporters and the buying and the buyers has changed. If you have any information or any inkling about their position, you should, I think, you should update the exporters that be careful and have the, you know, the orders, the limit or in the limit of the buyer's financial position. I think you should help our exporter community in this regard regarding payment terms as well as the financial position of the buyers. I think otherwise this virtual trade fair is very good. It's there is no constraint for the space, and it saves our money, saves our time, and easy way of doing business. So I think our buying agents association will definitely going to help us a lot in this crucial time of COVID-19. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Malhotra.
Thank you very much, Malhotra ji. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Mr. Michael, Anshul, all members of the BA and the audience. वर्मा जी अभी रुकेंगे इसके बाद ना?
सर अभी 4:30 बजे दूसरा है जो है.
हाँ अभी हम लोग स्टे करते हैं, ये लोग
Thank you, Rakesh.
Thank you. Thanks everybody. Bye bye. Have a good weekend.
Bye.
Thank you.
Rawatji, if you could send us the link of this so that we can send it over to the people to the members.
आंचल जी एक whip जारी कर दें सबको कम से सब बायर को बुलाएं प्लीज।
एकदम एब्सोल्युटली। इनफैक्ट आपके जो कोलैटरल्स हैं आप भिजवा दो, आई विल फ्लोट इट टू ऑल द मेंबर्स आल्सो, रिक्वेस्टिंग देम टू फ्लोट फर्दर।
वो मैं आपको दे देता हूँ, आज ही शाम को भेज देते हैं, अभी भेज देंगे। थैंक यू।
टेक केयर, बाय बाय।